Zhanjiang Qitai Industry and Trade Company Limited is professional manufacturer and exporter of PVC hose and high-pressure cleaning machines. Founded in 1997, Qitai has more than 20 years of experience and excellent team. We are located in the southernmost of China, Zhanjiang City, with convenient transportation access, and it is one of the earliest established enterprises with import and export qualification in Zhanjiang City and has won the honor of being one of the honest enterprises in Zhanjiang. Our hoses are popular in different countries and markets around the world. Our main products are high-pressure washing hose, cleaning machine kit, high-pressure spray hose, welding hose, air hose, advanced production technology from South Korea, international quality management system based on ISO 9001:2015, committed to ingenuity R&D and production auditing. Our indexes of products have exceeded the international ISO 1307 standard. The products are welcomed by different countries and markets all over the world. Innocuity, environmental protection, safety, and durability, light, and portable are the remarkable features and advantages of our hose products. Qitai is based on integrity to meet customer need for the starting point. We have been leading the market in traditional high-pressure hose for agriculture, pesticide spreading high-pressure hose for many years, constantly expanding innovation, increasing multidimensional cooperation in research and development. We have sophisticated equipment, automated product line, a strict control of product quality, and a reliable and stable relationship with partner, which can make our customer feel at ease, assured, and satisfied. Qitai has a sales network throughout the Middle East, Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Qitai upholds a sincere to operate business enterprise. Qitai adhere to hard to produce products. Qitai hold a heart to serve customers. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationship with new clients around the world in the future.